Good morning, students. This is 8th class, worksheet 5, unit 1, My Mother poem. Reading the comprehension. Read the poem thoroughly, then go for the answers. The first one, the poet cannot remember his mother because he had never seen his mother. His mother was not staying with him. His mother died when he was a small kid. His mother did not love him. The first one is C answer. His mother died when he was a small kid. The poet feels the presence of his mother by playthings, a song, the song, window. A is correct answer. Playthings. Third one, we all love our mother because she is loving and affectionate, cheerful and responsible, caring and kind hearted. D, all of these. So these three answers are correct. Our mother shows love and affectionate, cheerful and responsible, caring and kind hearted. So D is correct answer. The fourth one, while recalling his mother, the scent of his mother is compared with. C is correct answer. The scent of morning service in the temple. Now, fifth one, the boy can feel his mother's gaze. D is correct answer. In the distant sky. Sixth, mothers hum and tune while rocking the cradles. Why the mother hum and tune while rocking the cradles? Because to let their baby sleep. A is correct answer. Seventh one, I send my eyes into the blue of distant sky. I refer to seventh one, C, the child. The poet can call back his mother's memory when he is playing with the toys. Ninth one, scent of tulip flowers floating in the air. Scent it appeal to. Ninth one, D, nose. The poet remembers his mother always, occasionally, never, often. B, occasionally. ఎందుకంటే సమ్ టైమ్స్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాడు. సో అకేషనల్లీ. సెక్షన్ 2, vocabulary and grammar. 11th question, I cannot remember my mother. Identify antonym to the underlined word. రిమెంబర్కి యాంటోనిమ్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ రాయాలి. సో 11th one is B answer, forget. 12th one, the scent of morning service in the temple. Identify the synonym of the underlined word. Synonym, scentకి synonym word రాయాలి. సో 12th one is C is correct answer, perfume. 13th one, the poet feel the presence of his mother either by a song or by the fragrance of flowers. Identify the correct form of the underlined word. The poet feels రావాలి ఇక్కడ. సో B is correct one. 14th one, a series of musical notes that are sung. Identify the word which gives the same meaning. 14th one, A is correct answer, hum. 15th one, the tune of some song that used of hum while rocking my cradle. Replace the underlined word with a suitable word. 15th one, use it to రావాలి. B is correct answer. Section 3, appreciation of the poem. 16th question, I cannot remember my mother. The figure of speech used in this poem. D is correct answer. It is imagery. 17th one, the mood of the poet reflects in the poem is sadness, worrying, joyful or happiness, anxiety. A is correct answer, sadness. 18th one, if we observe the poem we find that it has no rhyming words. Each line has a rhyming word. The rhyming word is after every 2 lines. The rhyming word is after every 4 lines. So if we observe in this poem, we find that it has no rhyming word. So A is correct one. 19th one, the poet expresses his inability to recall his mother's face. B is correct one. 20th, the poet expressed that his mother's face has spread all over the sky. C is correct answer. Now section 4, creative writing. Here the poet had lost his mother at a tender age. When he was in a childhood, the poet lost his mother. So you have a wonderful experience with your mother. So now write a small description about your mother. So, as you have a mother and you have very good experience with your mother, and because you are spending um, with your mother every time, that's one. So now write a small description about your mother, how she takes care of you, how she look after you, and what she gives you whenever you ask everything. So you have to write some of the points about her while describing. So kindness and caring, how your mother show you kindness and how she cares you and teaching values. And even your mother not only kindness and caring, and she teaches you moral values, the qualities you like in your mother, and what are the qualities you like in your mother. And next, how she should be with relatives and neighbors, and how she moves, your mother moves with the relatives and neighbors. అన్నీ కూడా మీ మదర్ యొక్క క్వాలిటీస్ డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తూ ఒక 10 సెంటెన్సెస్ రాయండి, 12 సెంటెన్సెస్ వరకు రాయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.